Hello, good morning, and welcome to the virtual symposium to observe World Antimicrobial Awareness Week, organized by School of Life Sciences, B.S. Abdul Rahman Crescent Institute of Science and Technology, in association with Microbiologists Society India. I am Dr. Prakash Arun Bansode, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Sangola College, Sangola, District Solapur, Maharashtra. I am going to present my research work entitled Anti-Cancer, Antibacterial and Hyperthermia Potential of Caffeine Functionalized N-heterocyclic Carbene Silver Complex Anchored on Magnetic Nanoparticles. Over here, shown on the slide, is the structure of the N-heterocyclic carbene functionalized by caffeine silver complex. In introductory part, caffeine is one of the most widely consumed foods and most frequently consumed psychotic substance, which is present as the main active constituent in coffee. Caffeine also exhibits notable effects on cell cycle function and regulation, such as apoptosis, DNA repair mechanism. So in view of these interesting biological properties of caffeine, silver and N-heterocyclic carbenes, we present here our work on N-heterocyclic carbene complex silver based on caffeine. So this is the graphical abstract. We synthesized N-heterocyclic carbene silver complex anchored on magnetic nanoparticles Fe3O4, then evaluated on in vitro anti-cancer activity against hepatocellular carcinoma, evaluated for antibacterial activities, and evaluated for the hyperthermia experiment. So this is the synthetic route for the obtaining caffeine based N-heterocyclic silver complex anchored on Fe3O4 magnetic nanoparticles. Initially, we synthesized Fe3O4 magnetic nanoparticles using co-precipitation method from ferric chloride and ferrous chloride as per reported protocol. Then we coated those nanoparticles with silica using triethoxy orthosilicate. Further upon, we functionalized it using chloropropyl triethoxysilane. Then we obtained the functionalized magnetic nanoparticles. Chloropropylsinyl was synthetically fertile and we quaternized it by using caffeine. So to get a precursor, that precursor is then treated with silver acetate in inert atmosphere using K2CO3 as the base. Then we got the final product, that is silver complex based on caffeine N-heterocyclic carbene complex anchored on magnetic nanoparticle. This complex was then characterized by using several techniques such as FTIR spectroscopy. Here the comparison of the FTIR spectra of the bare magnetic nanoparticles, then precursor and final product shows the changes in the peak pattern in the FTIR spectra. So it suggests the formation of the base N-heterocyclic caffeine complex based on magnetic nanoparticles. We evaluated the final product, that is N-heterocyclic silver complex anchored on magnetic nanoparticles, to check its thermal stability, and it was found thermally stable in thermogravimetric analysis. So these are the wet loss. Initial wet loss is due to the physically absorbed water, then loss of organic moieties. We further checked its chemical composition using energy dispersive X-ray analysis. So this is the EDAX spectra, which shows the main elements are iron and oxygen, which attributes towards the Fe3O4 nanocore of the product. We checked the surface morphology, particle size of the magnetic nanoparticles based N-heterocyclic silver complex using transmission electron microscopy. So these are the TEM micrographs and SAED pattern. TEM micrograph shows that the final products is of around 50 nanometer in size and which is having a granular spherical shaped nanoparticles, with average size of 50 nanometer, which is very ideal size for the drug delivery. And SAED pattern shows that it is having a nano single crystalline nature. Further XRD analysis of the product indicated that the Fe3O4 nanocore is well preserved during the multiple functionalization, and the product is having good purity and crystallinity. So these are the different peaks, and it matches with the standard JCPDS card. Then we checked the magnetic character. As we are going to evaluate it for the magnetic hyperthermia, we checked its magnetic properties using vibrating sample magnetometer. So these are the VSM curves, which shows that the complex is having the magnetic moment of the 53 EMU per gram, which is less as compared to the bare MNP 75 EMU per gram, but which is sufficient for the magnetic hyperthermia experiments. We evaluated, very important, for the antibacterial activity. From traditional days, silver is well known for its antimicrobial properties, and that's why we were interested to evaluate antimicrobial or antibacterial properties of this product. So we tested this complex on various gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria such as Escherichia coli NCIM 2832 and Staphylococcus aureus NCIM 2654 and Bacillus aureus NCIM 2703. So it shows the remarkable zones of inhibition having 10 to 15 mm, and so it is showing a very good antibacterial properties too, as it is the silver complex. We checked or evaluated the in vitro anti-cancer activity using MTT assay for the bare MNP precursor and silver complex anchored on magnetic nanoparticles against hepatocellular carcinoma, and it is one of the most important malignant hepatic malignancy, and which accounts for the third category of the deaths, cancer related deaths. So this complex is showing a very promising activity. From IC50 values we can see that it shows a very promising anti-cancer activity against hepatocellular carcinoma, and very important that this complex is low toxic towards the normal hepatic cell line. We evaluated it for the magnetic hyperthermia experiment. So this is the temperature kinetic curve, and it shows that it induces a temperature, therapeutic temperature of the 48 degrees Celsius, which is sufficient to kill the cancerous cells or infected cells by even not affecting the normal cells. So finally we conclude we have successfully synthesized a new N-heterocyclic, that is NHC silver complex with caffeine functionalized magnetic nanoparticles and characterized by various techniques. The antibacterial activity of MNP-CAF NHC AG complex, that is the abbreviation, standard abbreviation we used, against various pathogens such as Staphylococcus aureus, Escherichia coli and Bacillus aureus, shows that using agar-well diffusion method shows that it is having a good antibacterial activity. The promising anti-cancer activity of this silver complex against human hepatocellular carcinoma HEP-G2 cells and low toxic towards the normal hepatic cells. The MNP-CAF AG complex demonstrated an excellent magnetic hyperthermia effect. It induces a temperature of 48 degrees Celsius, which is sufficient to kill the cancerous cells. This work has been accepted for publication in Chemistry Select, which is a Wiley publication with impact factor 1.881. Thank you very much.